Hello, great family. This is Stephen Gariba, the plant ambassador, the practicing herbalist, the herbal educator, and the herbal researcher. Today, I want to show you how best you can make good use of scent leaf. Yes, Ocimum gratissimum. That's the scientific name. This leaf is very powerful against catarrh, cold, asthma, cough, pneumonia, and many more. Don't forget to like the video, share with your loved ones, and follow us on Facebook, Zerba-Ne TV. On YouTube, the name is Zerba-Ne TV. On TikTok, the name is Zerba-Ne TV. Help us grow this family to learn more about African indigenous medicinal plants. Yes, scent leaf is very powerful for urinary tract infections, sexually transmitted infections, typhoid fever, malaria, jaundice, chronic headache, bleeding nose, and see, those of you that experience some weakness within your system, this leaf boosts your immune system, very effective against hemorrhoids or bleeding piles. Very wonderful for those of you battling with paralysis or stroke. See, for the stroke patients, you need the leaves of Ocimum gratissimum, that is scent leaf. Get the leaves, the fresh leaves, grind it with that of black pepper, African indigenous black pepper, or any type of black pepper that you can find. Grind it very well with the leaves of the scent leaves, and apply it as a poultice on the affected area where you are feeling the numbness or the paralysis. Apply this morning and evening for up to 6 weeks. There will be massive improvement. You can even mix it with shea butter and use it to massage the entire body system. This strengthens those battling with stroke, and it is very powerful against gastritis, stomach ulcer. It cleanses the colon. A lot of African mothers use scent leaf and ginger to apply enema, and that cleanses the colon of young children. Very powerful against rheumatism. Very wonderful for cold, cough, pneumonia, catarrh, asthma. See, scent leaf is a very powerful leaf. Yes, don't forget to like the video, share with your loved ones, follow us on Facebook, Zerba-Ne TV. On YouTube, the name is Zerba-Ne TV. And on TikTok, the name is Zerba-Ne TV. Follow us to grow this family so we can do more research on African indigenous medicinal plants and how best we can make good use of them. We must take good care of the environment for future generations. Till we meet again on another side, stay safe and bye-bye for now.